Here in this article we will talk you about something that perhaps few people believe. Namely, we will talk about the positive and negative energies. Also we will talk about how a lemon can neutralize the bad energy, improve the economy and restore harmony of the home. In case you did not know, lemon hides multiple beneficial properties. Not only it is beneficial for your health and beauty, but it can also improve the energy in your home. In order to improve the energy in your home, all you have to do is follow this simple advice. Namely, all you have to do is put a lemon on a place in your home where you usually spend most of your time. The presence of the lemon and its amazing aroma will be surely your ally and will most certainly keep the negative energy away. And to do this you will only need some green lemons. At this point you need to know that there are several different ways which can help you keep the negative energy away from your home. And here are some of them. One of the simplest ways to get rid of the negative energy is to place 3 green lemons in various sectors of the house, discarding and replacing them from time to time. Also, another way to improve the energy in your home is to benefit from its vapors. For this method all you have to do is boil the lemon shell in rainwater. You can also use the lemons as an amulet. In any case, you should know that the lemon will absorb any negative energies and it will be quiet and safe as bad waves will not affect you. For this method you will need a basket or ceramic or clay pot. Then in this pot you need to put 9 lemons. Spread 8 lemons around in circle and put 1 in the center. Then take a larger pot and cover the bottom with rice. Next thing you need to do is put the pot with lemons in the pot with rice. Now you need to put this pot on your refrigerator. This way you will improve the wealth of your family and you will also get rid of the negative energy.